Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss the chapter whole numbers part 4, which is related to topic division. So in this I'll discuss some basic components of division, then I'll discuss division algorithm and some properties of division. So before starting this topic division, we will go through the basic components of division. The first example, you can see that I have written that 12 divided by 6. So, and this is division is a basic part of your previous knowledge from class 3rd onwards. In every class you all have already done this division, so I'm not going to explain the method of division. I'll just revise it again. Some parts I will revise. See, when you divide 12 by 6, we can write 12 upon 6. It means this part is known as whatever I have written before the sign. This is your dividend, and after the sign, this is your divisor. In this you can see this is your dividend and this is your divisor. How to divide? 12 divided by 6. In this way we write 6 2s are 12. So you can say that, what is this? Yes, you are right, this is your divisor, this is your dividend, and this 2 is known as quotient. And whatever you have got at last here, this is your remainder. So when a number is completely divisible by another number, then you will get remainder as 0 always. The second example, you can see that 17 divided by 2, we can write 17 divided by 2, 2 8s are 16, write 1. So in this case, this 2 is your divisor, 17 dividend, 8 quotient, and 1, this is your remainder. With the help of these components, we can these components forms division algorithm, and division algorithm says that dividend equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. It means that if we are knowing divisor, quotient and remainder, then we can find out dividend. So we can take this example. Suppose this 17 is your dividend, we are not knowing the dividend. So with the help of this divisor, this quotient, and with this remainder, we can find out this dividend. See, what is divisor here? 2. What is your quotient? 8. And what is your remainder? 1. So we can write 8 2s are 16 plus 1, 17. So you can see that 17 is your dividend, this you have got. So with the help of this division algorithm, you can see 1 2 3 4, there are 4 unknown values. If you are knowing any 3, you can find out fourth one. It means that if you are knowing divisor, quotient and remainder, you can find out dividend. If you are knowing dividend, divisor and quotient, then you can find out remainder easily. If you are knowing divisor, remainder and dividend, you can find out quotient. So we can use this formula in your next exercise, exercise 2E. You can get questions related to this division algorithm. Here you can see there are some basic properties of divisor. Sorry, there are some basic properties of 0 regarding the division. So first case I will discuss, when divisor is 0, means if there is any number and if we are dividing that number by 0, you will always get a meaningless answer. Means suppose I am writing 17 divided by 0, it means 17 upon 0, so it will give you a meaningless answer. Meaningless means it will give you infinite answer. Infinite answer means which is not defined, and if you want to represent it with symbol, then you can use this. This is the symbol of infinity. So any number is there, whether it is a whole number or any natural number, when you will divide by 0, you will get a meaningless answer. The second case, when dividend is 0, in second case says that when your divisor is non-zero number and dividend is 0, then your answer will always 0. Means if I am writing 0 divided by 2, 0 divided by 123, it means that 0 upon 2 you will get answer 0. 0 upon 123 you will get 0. So when your dividend is 0 and divisor is the non-zero number, the answer is always 0. Next, division by 1. Whenever you divide any non-zero number, whenever you divide any whole number or non-zero number by 1, it gives the same answer. Suppose I am writing 120 divided by 1. So if you divide it by 1, you will get 120. The same whole number you will get as answer. If you divide 0 divided by 1, you will get the same answer, 0. If you write 123 divided by 1, you will get 123. Next property, when 0 divided by 0, what will happen? Of course, the answer will be meaningless or infinite. So I have already explained this. Whenever your divisor is 0, whatever is this side, whether it is a 0 or non-zero, it doesn't matter. Whenever your divisor is 0, the answer will be always infinite. One more property I'll discuss here. When you divide 1 by 1, you get quotient as 1. 1 is the only number in whole numbers. I'm talking about whole numbers. When you divide 1 by 1, your answer will be 1. It means that when your dividend is 1, when divisor is 1, your quotient will be always 1. So sometimes it may ask like this: a divided by a is equal to a for which case? For which case? So what will be your answer? For 1. It may ask that a divided by a is equal to a for which whole number? Then you can write that for 1. It is true for 1, because when we divide 1 by 1, we get the quotient as 1. At the place of a, any alphabet you can write n divided by n gives n. Understood?